We have the data of which state? Chandigarh. You have anyone from Chandigarh, Punjab? Sataji? Think so? Ludhiana. You are from Ludhiana? हैं? तो पिन कोड तो पता होगा? पंजाब, sorry, पंजाब का डेटा इसमें नहीं है. Otherwise, you can you just give the pin code. If I give the pin code of 110016 in Delhi, so all the schools located under the Hotchkiss area, 110016, they will be displayed here. So one can search the school. ये फिर ये सब आप हिमाचल प्रदेश है, इसमें आप केवल पिन कोड नंबर दे दीजिए. You just give the pin code number. The entire listing of the schools will be appeared for your consideration. तो जो भी आप यहाँ select करेंगे, whatever you select here, you have to provide the school here. And whether you want to search it, just click on this one.
110016
School ये on और rural urban होगा, इसमें क्या है?
सर्च करो.
अच्छा boys girls है. So okay. Whether we are interested in co-educational institutions, boys or girls. So as per our criteria, which we have given provided to the computer, the schools will be listed. Now let us, but you will ask, where is the school report card? You are talking much about the school report card, but you have not shown us the school report card. So what we will do now, take Himachal Pradesh, Chamba, Chowari, okay, just list out the schools. So these are the schools as per our criteria. And now we will see the report card. Just take report card of any school. So this is the report card. This is the report card of this particular school. What is this school? The entire report card of a particular. This is available for all the 1.3 million schools. That is for 5 years. 5 साल के लिए हर हिंदुस्तान की हर स्कूल जो डाइस के अंदर कवर हुई है उसका डेटा यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है. And the entire report card is divided into the 4 or 5 different segments. First is the ID, state, the school report card, district name, the school code, block name, village name, name of the headmaster, cluster name, ये सब कुछ आ गया. Then we have the general information about the school. This school, the pin code number is this one, 176301. Mind it, the pin code number. If we search schools by pin code number and we get 20 schools, it doesn't mean that there are only 20 schools in that particular pin code, because a few schools might have not given the pin code provided. They might have not provided the pin code. Maybe the school is covered under the dice, but the pin code if is not given, then it will not be displayed. So the pin code of the school is this. Whether it is located in rural area or urban area, rural area. This school was established in 1991. Management is Department of Education. School category is primary only. This school is co-educational. Last year, this particular school functioned for 238 days. And type of residential, it doesn't have any residential school. The hostel facility is not there. Then number of times the CRC coordinator visited this school during the previous academic year is 1. This school is located from 25 kilometers from the block headquarters. Pre-primary section is having or not? No, not having. Lowest class in the school is 1. Total schools in pre-primary 0. School shift use करता है क्या? Whether the building of a school is used as a shift school? No. Academic inspection 1. Total teachers is 0. Number of BRC coordinators is 0. Distance from the CRC is 5 kilometers. Residential in the school is 5. ये 0 कैसा आ गया? अच्छा, sorry. Total teachers is pre-primary, not of the primary. So this is the ID school basic information. Then we have the staff category, staff information. Teaching staff sanction, teaching staff in position. How many para teachers are there? How many days the teachers were involved in non-teaching assignment during the previous academic year? The medium of instruction of this school. What are the main 3 medium of instruction? Hindi, some other was there. So the Hindi was the main medium of instruction. Then teachers, how many of them are male, how many of them are female, whether there are non-teaching staff in the school or not, what is the educational qualification, graduate and above, whether the school is having headmaster or not, teachers with professional qualification the school is having or not. So this is information about the teaching and non-teaching staff available in the school. The next one is school building, equipment and facilities, infrastructure. So number of building blocks, whether the school is having Pakka block or not. Then the classroom require major repairs or status of building, whether how many classrooms require good condition rooms are there, require minor repairs, medical checkup was arranged in the school for the last year or not, whether the school is having the blackboard for children at their height at the ground level or not, the total number of library books in the library, furniture for the students is available or not, computer aided learning lab is available or not, kitchen device grant school was received or not, furniture is available for teachers or not, boundary wall hai kya, ramps for disabled children is available or not, how many computers it has got, common toilet, girls toilet, number of blackboard, electricity is available or not, playground, drinking water, kitchen set, boys, girls, separate room for headmaster, and whether the midday meal is provided in this particular school, MDM is provided and prepared in the school. This is very limited information about the midday meal. In this year we have added a few variables so far as the midday meal scheme is concerned. So most of the basic infrastructure related variables have already been incorporated in our this particular segment. Then the enrollment is there. Grade wise enrollment, boys, girls, total, scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, OBC, minority, repeaters, children with special need and Muslim enrollment is provided. And then what type of incentives we have provided during the last academic year. In this particular year, no incentive was provided in this school. Then the examination results. Perhaps this is the last year we see the examination result here. Because of the right to education, this particular variable is now deleted from the DICE data capture format. This will not be available in the next year. Then at the bottom, a few key indicators have been provided. Like what is the PTR, pupil teacher ratio, what is the percentage of ST children, percentage ST children, Muslim children, percentage of girls children, what is the student classroom ratio, repeaters, ST children, Muslim girls, student pass, classroom required major repairs, teachers with professional qualifications. This type of information is provided in one school report card which is available in all the schools of our country for the last 5 years, and the date of reference of this particular year which we have selected was 30th September 2009. So generally this 1 year school report card is of the limited value unless until we know what was the arrangements in the school for in the previous year. So what we have very recently provided is that along with this one, we have also given a link of 8-9. So you just click it 8-9. So the 8-9 report card is also provided from the same school. We have not provided here link of 7-8 just because of the reason that in 7-8 and 8-9 many schools they have changed their IDs. But now the ID is almost constant. So and we have applied some other checks also. If the school ID is same as well as the year of establishment of a school in these two both years are 8-9 and 9-10 is same, then only you display here 8-9. Otherwise it will not be displayed. So in case in few report cards if it is not displayed, it means that the school ID as well as the year of establishment is not matching with the previous year report card. That is why. But I am happy to inform you that only 2,500 schools are not displayed here out of 1.3 million schools, which means that the school IDs are almost uniform now. Change nahi kiya hai between the year 2008, 9 and 9, 10. So this is the school report card of one particular school. You can also see school report card in Hindi. This is the school report card in Hindi. Similarly, we have a school report card as we already see in English, Marathi, Kannada, Malayalam, Tamil, Telugu, Gujarati and Punjabi. These are the same report card, same, but it is translated into the other regional languages. Now this is Hindi one. Pahले English ka dikhaiye. So many times we are not very friendly with the reading all these numbers. You are not good as I am in reading numbers. Okay? So generally क्या होता है? To facilitate that, what we have provided with another facility here is that the detailed descriptive report. What is that descriptive report? Just press it. So whatever we have seen in the numbers, it is now translated into the report. And this is 2-page report of each and every school. This is also available for all the 1.3 million schools of our country, spread over 635 districts in 35 states and union territory. So ये पूरे सभी स्कूलों का ये available है. What is this? This report, this is a school ID. This report is automatically generated by the computer based on the data provided by the school as on September 2009. The school was established in 1991 and it is managed by the Department of Education. It is located in rural area. It is situated at a distance of about 25 kilometers from the block headquarters. It is located in Chowari block of the Chamba district of Himachal Pradesh. It was not visited by the VRC coordinator. Hindi is the medium of instruction of this report. So whatever we have displayed you earlier in the form of the report card is translated and converted into a 2-page descriptive report which is also available for all the schools. Similarly, the facility of a school, facilities, teachers, funds, enrollment, incentives, at the end of the day, you will see the major strengths and weaknesses of each and every school. Which according to us, we have designed the software in such a manner so that we think that if the professionally trained qualified teachers are available, this is the strength of a particular school. So all these strengths and weaknesses, they vary from school to school. ये सबका एक जैसा नहीं है. As per the arrangement in the school, they are displayed here. So the school was inspected during the previous academic year. We are of the view that if the school is inspected, it is a plus point. Similarly, the school was visited by CRC coordinator. The school has a comfortable PTR, 1:10. The school is provided midday meal. So all these are the plus points. But the weaknesses are the school does not have a boundary wall. बच्चा नीचे गिर जाएगा. यहाँ पे boundary wall नहीं है. बहुत सी बार हम भी यहाँ नीचे गिर जाते हैं. So the boundary wall is very important. Many times people used to say that boundary is not important, but it's very important. And especially when the children up to the age of 11 in the primary school, they are there. So boundary wall is also very important. And if it is not there, this is treated as one of the important weakness of a particular school. The school does not have a computer-aided learning lab. The school does not have a regular headmaster. 52% of our schools are not having the school headmaster. They are managed by only the head teachers. The school does not have a separate room for headmaster. Headmaster नहीं है तो room कहाँ से आएगा? The school has a poor enrollment. The school does not have a ramp for disabled children. Disabled children are there, but ramp is not there. Then